Again, from the front-facing camera, is it going to overexpose the sky? It will. And running out of the frame should compensate. Well, Vivo is a bit quicker. A bit. How much overexposing action we do have? Okay, the light is reflecting from those smartphones. I don't really see too much. Yeah, Vivo, it's a bit better. You can see that airplane right there. All right. There you go. There you go. Video stabilization. Good. Which one is wider? OPPO. Definitely a bit wider. Well, how far I am from it. Anyway, autofocus, is it available? No, in any of them. No autofocus, but the video stabilization looks good. Switching to the wide-angle lens. Wide-angle lens. Both looks quite good. Which one is wider? Can't say draw. Oh no, wait. Yeah, draw. Do we have autofocus in wide-angle lens? Let's find out. Yes, we do. In both of them. So a lot of details in both of them. Ooh, what's that? Cool. Why do you need autofocus from the wide-angle lens? For example, you can do super macro like that. It looks good in a video. All right, vlogging style. This is how it's going to look like. Vlogging. Nice. Switch it to the main lens. You're already in wide angle. Bam. All right. It looks very stable. And we do have a quick. Oh, did you see that? Did you see that? Like we lose focus on the OPPO. Look. Okay, now it's holding, but it's struggling. Again, maybe on a smaller round object like this tree. You can see lose focus. It's focusing not on a tree but on the background, and I'm talking about the OPPO. And the Vivo is making a correct focus. Do you see the difference? Oh, now it's okay. So the OPPO is all over the place. Definitely all over the place. Someone is drilling. Anyway, vlogging style. This is how it's going to look like. Remember that this is a round object. It's quite hard for the camera to focus on the round object, and especially when it's shiny. That wasn't shiny, but it was round. Again, autofocus test. Which one is faster? Oh, definitely. What's with the OPPO? It's a bit slow. All right. So there you go. Someone is drilling some. I don't know what's going on there. Anyway, it's time for the telephoto. 6. Let's do 10 on the Vivo. Maybe 10 on both of them. Which one looks better? Hard to say. Identical. If we go max to 18 on the OPPO and 20 on the Vivo, they look very similar. If we go back to the 18 in the Vivo, I think that's the 18, somewhere under. Very similar. Maybe another object. Maybe a vehicle will be nice. Okay, exposed vehicle. Can you read the license plate? Well, if we'll be in the same position. Okay, Vivo definitely better. Okay, some vehicle. Okay, this one doesn't have a license plate. Come on, any vehicle. All right. I still think Vivo is a bit better, and I have a. I think I have a. Oh, there it is. There you go. Which one you can read more clearly? I think Vivo is still number one. Let me try it with a photo. And Vivo is very stable. OPPO, it's really hard to get a stable shot from that distance. Maybe that building will be better, or maybe a satellite dish. Let's go all the way to a satellite dish, which is 120x. And look how unstable that is. And with the VIVO, the image quality will be the same, but with the VIVO, rock solid. Rock solid. Let's switch to photos. They're both really great, but OPPO is still #1 smartphone for the camera mobile.